Membership operators in Python are basically utilized to check whether a value is present in a group of items or not, such as list, tuple, or a string. So all these are the collection or data structures which we'll be dealing later. So what is the basic purpose of this data structure is to make a collection of items and put together. Now, in that list of items, I'm going to check whether a particular value is available or not available. So, in this is the membership operator which will check if a value is present in a sequence. Like, for example, we have taken a list of items holding apple, banana, and cherry. Now, I'm going to verify apple in fruits. So I'm checking whether this element apple is available in the list of these fruits. So as we have this apple here, present here, hence I'm going to get true. If I'm going to give any other element apart from these three, the resultant would have been false. Similarly, not in. This is going to check whether the value is not present in a sequence. It is quite opposite of that. Say we are taking fruits equal to the same set. When I am checking orange not in fruits. So because orange is not in the list of the fruits, hence the outcome is true. If I am going to write here either of these elements, apple or banana or cherry, then the output would have been false because that is available and not in is going to produce false. Now, for example, if I'm taking a string, here I took a list of items. If I'm taking a string, suppose my string is hi everyone, learning Python is very easy. Now I'm checking whether h in x, I'm checking whether h is available or not. And mind you, this is a case sensitive one. Okay. So because the uppercase h is available here, hence the resultant is true. Now very likely when I'm going to check d in x, so you see there is no d available anywhere. So hence the resultant is false. If I'm checking d not in x, as d is not available anywhere in this string, hence the resultant is true. And when I'm checking Python, this entire string, okay, in x, so you can see Python is available here, hence I'm going to get as true. Let's say we have taken a list of items holding fruits. Now I'm checking apple in fruits because apple is available, hence the resultant is true. Now if I check, say, orange in fruits, then I'm getting false because orange is not available. But if I'm going through the same orange and this time I'm writing not in fruits because orange is not in fruits, so hence I'm getting the result as true. So here we have taken a string and when I apply, let's say I'm checking, say hi in st, I'm getting false. Why? Because I'm having hi here, but in this the h is in uppercase, but I'm trying to give in lowercase. So there is a case sensitivity, hence it is false. If I'm trying to give capital H and I in st, so we'll get true.